peanut butter. This is Dustin Sturgis. What's up, guys? Working on the golf cart. I made a new bumper for it. This is the old one. This is the new one. Now I'm just trying to figure out where the bolts have to go through the frame, and then I'm gonna weld some studs on it and call it good. Yeah, this is my club car. It's a DS club car. I got a new seat cover for it. Be another upholstery video here soon for that. Just done put the back seat and little bed thing, whatever you call it, on there. Done some leaf springs on it to give it a little more lift in the rear. The front's the same. It's got a little custom paint job. It's a pretty nice cart. Got it home for the winter to do some maintenance and get it ready back for the next season. And then yeah, so I'm going to mark out these holes and weld some studs on it and paint it. I'm gonna try to get a Sharpie in there to do it. We'll see what happens. I know it's kind of tight in there, so we'll see. I can't see what I'm doing, so it's gonna have to be blind. Oh, I can see the hole right there. Alright, there should be one marked. Over to this other side. Try not to lay in the fucking dirt again. We'll see. Might have to. And then I'm gonna mark the plastics here to trim up a little bit of room so it doesn't rub real bad. And I should have some marks, which I do. One Sharpie mark, two Sharpie mark. So now I'll clean it up and we'll weld some studs on. I'll weld those in there just like that, and then she'll be able to be mounted. I'm debating on whether or not to cut the head off. I think I'm gonna leave it on there. It'll space it out. I might not have to trim the plastic like I was initially thinking. All right, got my dots back. I'm gonna measure them and make sure they're in the same spot here. They don't look like they are. That one is right at 3 inches. That one's a little over 3 inches. So I think I'm gonna go, this one is like 3 1/16. This one's 3 1/8. So I'm a 1/16 off. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna mark these in at 3 the 16th. A bit, just to make them holes a little bit bigger. That one should be perfect. And then we're going to see if she'll fit. Look good. Alright. First, I'm a little thirsty. Alright, let's go see what it fits like out here. Just gotta ream these out just a little bit. Got plenty of thread sticking out. Money. I'm gonna go back in there and weld up some more and clean it up, paint it, and call it a day. Yes, sir. There's the start of it. It's gonna look pretty good on there, I think. I'll let that dry, put a few more coats on it. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest of the painting process. And then I'll show it on there installed. And then it'll be good to go. What's up, guys? There it is, painted, completed. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna bolt it on there now. All new hardware. Good to go. There it is. Looks a whole lot better than the old one on there. Looks pretty good. Pretty simple.